roundabouts. Once you've got roundabouts, everything else is going to be easy.
That's it.
Roundabouts are one of the most complicated things you can do, because you've got to try and figure out where you're going. You've got to try and figure out what speed, what gear, assess the road. Are we on a hill?
We are, yeah.
So clutch down into first gear, press the brake pedal with your right foot, let the handbrake go. We're going to let gravity help us, okay? So the only thing that's stopping us from moving forwards now is that right foot of yours, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's on the brakes. Now have another little look in the mirrors. See that silver car coming towards us?
Yep.
So we're just going to wait for him as well, okay? Because it is quite narrow in front of us over there. That's my pen.
It's always safer to wait for him to pass.
That's right. So have a look in your mirrors again. As soon as you think it's safe to move away, look over your right shoulder.
Yep.
At that foot off the brake, start rolling. There's another car coming towards us, but there is enough space there.
That's it.
So just bring that clutch up nice and slowly for me now, all the way to the top. That's it, before we get too much speed. That's it, up to 10. There we go. Now then, we're just going to go around the training area. So, when's the best time to put it into second gear?
And there's enough room to do so.
As soon as possible, yeah? ASAP. Yeah. So off the gas, clutch down into second gear. And we're turning next left, please. Nice little junction here. That's it. Keep us in the left. We drive on the left of this country. You're not in France now.
No.
Or Germany. Or Italy. Or America. Or Australia is on the right hand side, I think. Yeah. So then,
Being abroad.
at the end of this road we're going to turn right. So you can see the road markings.
Yeah.
So what's just either side of us, there's two junctions, see them?
Yeah,
just,
I see them.
So just after there, 1, 2, 3 right, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. Opposition? That's in the right. So clutch down, brake. Into first gear nice and slowly for me. Keep looking left, right, left, right, left, right. Off that brake, just find the bike point. Have we got time to go? Yeah, turn that steering wheel. Well done. Making sure you look left, right. Even as you're starting to pull out,
Yeah.
do them left, right checks. Just in case there's a fast motorbike or a boy racer or somebody in a massive rush to get home, could we come flying around that corner, yeah?
Could be a cyclist or something.
Could be anything. Could be a velociraptor.
That's it.
So, roundabout coming up. We're going to go all the way around the roundabout. I'm going to take over, okay? Hands and feet off everything. Don't touch nothing now, okay? All I've done, imagine my biro is a remote control on time. I've just pressed pause on time, okay? Now then, see that sign over there?
Yeah.
See it, that triangle? What's it say on it?
Roundabout.
Roundabout coming up, okay? So as soon as you see a sign for a roundabout or see the roundabout, start preparing straight away, okay? Don't leave it to the last minute. The sooner you can start preparing for that roundabout, the better. Now then, I've taken over, okay? So don't worry about all the controls. Feet off everything for me.
Yeah.
Now then, all I'm going to do is I'm going to move the car forwards really slowly, okay? So imagine we were driving along at 40 miles an hour.
Yeah.
We've spotted the sign, there's a roundabout coming up. The number one thing we do is what?
Centimetre first.
That's right, we need to know who's behind us, yeah? There could be a 44-ton truck behind us. We need to know about it, okay?
That's it.
Yeah. There could be somebody playing with their phone. They're not concentrating on what's going on in front of them. And who's in front of them? Us. Yeah. So we need to know about it, okay? So the first thing we do is centimetre, then off the gas, okay? But then we need to start slowing down. So all we're going to do now is we've checked our mirror, we're starting to slow down, okay? So now we're doing, instead of 40, we're doing 38. Now we're doing 36. Now we're doing 34. Now we're doing 32. Now we're doing 30. Now it's a bit awkward because we've got parked cars on the left, okay? So I'm just going to stop there, just press pause on time again. So just the other side of that white Audi, can you see a bollard?
Yes, in the middle of the roundabout, yeah.
That's right, with an arrow saying this side, okay? That's where the roundabout starts. So about 2 to 3 car lengths before the roundabout, we need to be below 20 miles an hour in second gear with the clutch back up, okay? So, and we're going all the way around and back this way, so it's just like turning right. Now then, one more thing I want to mention, anything on our right there, any junctions?
There is a junction to go into the estate there, yeah?
It's just a footpath, okay? So you see the roundabout over there?
Yeah.
And also between that roundabout and us here, is there any junctions?
I can't see any junctions.
No, there's no junctions, is there?
No.
So if we do a 1, 2, 3 now, centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, it won't be complicated to nobody, okay?
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Now then, so we're on the brakes now, we're on the brakes. We were doing 32, wasn't we, yeah?
Yeah.
Now we're doing 30, now we're doing 28, now we're doing 26, now we're doing 24, now we're just going to press pause again on time, okay? Bosh. It's like a remote control on time, this is. It's a very special pen. Now then. So you can see that bollard there now. So we're getting really close to that roundabout now, okay? There's nobody behind us. We've done our 1, 2, 3, centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right. I'm just keep checking the mirror just in case somebody does appear behind us. Yeah. Now then, we need to be in second gear. We were doing 24 miles an hour. So still brake with your right foot, clutch down with your left foot, whatever gear you're in. Say we're in 4th gear, we're going to clutch down, bring it across into second gear and slowly bring that clutch up, okay? We're doing 24 miles an hour, don't forget, yeah? Now we're doing 22, now we're doing 20, that clutch must come up. I'm going to press pause on time again, okay? Now then, hopefully with this front camera you'll be able to see the white lines there just before the roundabout. See them?
Yeah, I see it.
1, 2, 3, there's 4 white lines. That's your point of no return, okay? At that point there, you have to make a last minute decision. Are we going or are we stopping, okay? So start assessing as soon as you possibly can. Start assessing. Now this particular roundabout, it's got a bush there to the right hand side, so you can't see what's coming.
No.
Yeah, so there could be a motorbike coming that way, couldn't there? Yeah,
there could be.
We don't know till the last second, so you need to be prepared to stop, okay, but also ready to go, both at the same time. So you're going to need about 12 miles an hour there. You're in second gear, don't forget, yeah, and you're bringing that speed down. You're already doing a 1, 2, 3. Let me take over, don't worry. So we're going right to the roundabout. We're actually going all the way around. So what position should we be in if we're going right? That's right. So you put us in the right position. So I'm doing everything else, okay? We're going slow motion now. So we're doing about 15 now, okay? Look at that distance, 15 miles an hour. We need about 12 there. All depends on the roundabout, okay? So aim for that sign over there. See that? This midnight sign? Yeah, next to that puts us on the inside lane of that 2-lane roundabout. Look over there. Look at where you're going. Look over there. Bounce between that way. Look at how we're going. Aim that way. Straighten the steering wheel up. There we go. Now we're doing, let's say 10 miles an hour now. You can make a decision. Anybody coming round the roundabout?
Nobody coming.
Anybody from the right?
Nobody.
So we're going to go, yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. So I'm bringing that clutch up. Now then, 4th exit, okay? 1, that's 2 there. That's it, we're in slow motion. Normally we'd be doing about 12, 13 miles an hour, okay? That's it. So that's the exit there in front of us now. The one before the one we want. So just here, left mirror, left indicator. That's it, left mirror once more for me, just to make sure there's nobody in the outside lane. And you're back in control. And tiny little bit of gas. There we go. Up into second gear. You're going to do it next time, okay? Okay. But we're going to do it extra slow and we're going to bring it down. Just imagine I've got a remote control for time. Yeah? Yeah. So normally we'd be doing it a little bit quicker because it's nice and quiet here. We're going to do it at quarter speed of what we normally do it, okay? Okay. Just so we can try and remember what the routines are. You know, left mirror, left indicator just before pulling off, yeah, telling everybody we're coming off, checking that left mirror, making sure there's nobody in that left lane, because if there is somebody in that left lane, we can't pull off.
No.
We have to go round the roundabout again.
That's it.
Okay. That's it. Now then, we're coming up to a roundabout shortly. We're doing a quarter speed what we normally would, okay?
Okay.
So we're going all the way around the roundabout and back up this way. What's the first thing you do?
Centre mirror.
That's it, nobody behind us. Now, centre mirror, right mirror.
Right mirror.
That's it, push it up for right. Off that gas. We need about 12 miles an hour. Can you see what speed we're doing? We're doing 11. That's about okay. That's nothing wrong with 11. Ease off a little bit more. Look, assess, assess, assess. That's it. I want to see you like a psychopathic meerkat. Okay, like that. There we go. A little bit of gas and just here. That's it. And away. Beautiful. Nice. Roundabouts. 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 Once you've got roundabouts,
Yeah.
everything else is going to be easy.
That's it.
Roundabouts are one of the most complicated things you can do, because you've got to try and figure out where you're going.
Yeah.
You've got to try and figure out what speed, what gear, what's the roundabout like. Is it a big roundabout? Is it a little roundabout? How many lanes are there on the roundabout? Where's everybody else going? Where am I going? There's so much for your brain to do that it takes a lot of practice.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
90% of roundabouts, second gear. Don't worry about that, just there. Okay? Just worry about just here. Don't worry about the people coming from the left, okay?
Okay.
We only give them about between 1 and 5% attention. Yeah?
Yeah.
The rest, 99% of the attention, are people coming around the roundabout or approaching from the right. Okay? Don't look too much at them. Yes, you can keep them in your peripheral vision in case they make a mistake and pull out on us, but it's very, very rare. Okay? 1% of your attention there, 99% over that way. Yeah?
Yeah. Oncoming traffic, really.
Yeah, it's roundabouts, yeah, but just doing roundabouts, nothing else. Now then, roundabout coming up. So, leave it in third. Anything behind us?
Nothing behind.
1, 2, 3.
Centre mirror.
That's it. Slow it down. Now into second gear. I know it's a bit difficult to see it. Arch back up nice and slowly before we get to the perfect positioning. Look at that. Anything coming?
No. Nothing.
Wonderful. All the way around the roundabout. Back the way we came. Nice. Well done. Cool. And just as you're passing that entrance before the one we want. Nice one.